Hold on, hold on. I want to pull that liner. Hold this up. My side. Whoa, yeah. Okay, now. Oh, how'd that feel?
My hand?
Okay, give me that. Give me the side. You take that side. Just take it into me. Match up to that rock. Yeah.
I'm gonna bring it back more towards you.
No, you know what? I decided I don't like this rock.
Okay.
Let's get it out. Let's get it out. One, two.
Here. Making a big deal about underwear.
Hey, try not to dust me out. Give me that rock stacker right there.
Yep. This is right here.
Let's do this side. This flat side to that side.
Okay.
Okay?
Oh, okay.
Yes. That'll work. Perfect. Okay. Get up. Okay, let's pull this liner back. Well, let's lean it back real quick. Hold on. Yeah. Leave it loose and let's just open it up. All right, at this point I still have some edge treatment to do along these sides, but I've got the water real skinny in a couple of areas right here, and I've done quite a bit of foaming. But at this point, sometimes I like to turn the waterfall on, see how the water's reacting on some of our spillways, see if I'm losing water behind some rocks. I might need more backfill and compaction, or I might need some more waterfall foam. So I'm gonna wait for this waterfall foam to harden off a little bit. And in the meantime, I'm gonna set one of the most important rocks in the waterfall, which will be outside the waterfall behind everything to give you a different type of depth. We don't want the water to come right out of the rocks. We want some rocks behind it as well. So that's what we're doing next. Okay, this is a little deep.
Watch the slate.
Hey, wait, hold it. Let's pull this forward.
Pull that forward. Okay. Got it.
Easy, stop. Ah, that wasn't easy.
Watch out, Taylor.
Hold on. This is a little too deep. Where's the shovel? Let's go right here.
What are you thinking at the top?
I don't know yet. Let's roll it over here.
Watch this, Taylor. Make sure it doesn't shift up. I'm gonna go your way. 1, 2, 3.
Spin it all the way, touch the slate. It looks awkward. Oh yeah. Okay.
What do you think, boss?
Yeah, I love
Is that
it.
where you want it?
Yeah. Taylor, give me the slate. It has to come this way a little bit.
How's that leaning, boss? Is it leaning?
No, it looks good. Taylor, whoa. That's so we're already touching here. Ease it that way. Yeah. That's good.
I got backfill on this side too, boss.
Okay.
That
All right.
looks freaking stellar.
Let's backfill this a little bit, and the foam should be dry enough for us to turn this on. It's not ready. Don't pull hard.